Mẹ, bạn mẹ job, cả bel mình nhớ, thế mình nhớ, cả actress, cả bapa brave hala là mình job. Yes go, mẹ rum jo, mình đi bên nhớ khun, mình nhớ bắt bel, mình nhớ bắt actress, cái tay, bapa brave, yeah, đó.
Ladies, interview with Randy Orton. It was frightening. It was strange to see brain and watching Cena go in and out of go away. If just under those two words. Knowing the history, the universe, the way that this man John Cena has, yeah, to say the least, but a gritty and determined one.
I love this. For a lot of these months, well, not everybody is behind him, but Cena's not out here to win a popularity.
He's out here to become the WWE Champion. Shin match.
Mẹ, bạn mẹ job, cả bel mình nhớ, thế mình nhớ, actress, cả bapa brave hala là mình job. Yes go, mẹ rum jo, mình đi bên nhớ khun, mình nhớ bắt bel, mình nhớ bắt actress, cái tay, yeah. Này, cả bel mình ta, qua bên sedang. Ibu nami menangin bu na sedang na
He's
ya
going to have to face their peer.
What about facing the public?
sedang na
Evil. Those eyes.
one
What's going to be?
2 3 come on
All tonight. No disqualifications, no pinfalls.
1
Fisherman
2
suplex by Cena.
3
Building
ah
momentum
apa
as
lagi
they
3
outwit.
you can
Punishment. Pain and suffering. Were either of these two men utter those two?
Diabolical. Down here, watch out. And Cena. Orton striking first. Flipped punishment.
go
Let me remind everyone.
Cena twin is the platter is bashed off the skull.
Watch this
One,
one more time as they
Here in this match.
hey
This past one round, you have to question, will Orton focus on the head of Cena tonight?
with a DDT on the chair. And it looks like
Will he go for another RKO? Here he goes, Cena counters.
Randy Orton.
1
This little fat
Two.
knuckle shuffle himself.
1
Orton is on the ropes.
Two.
Oh, and look at
The champion.
Orton's so cunning, so wild, devastating moves. Look at his eyes. Look at his eyes.
John Cena going for the STF, which is the submission.
Onto the floor after Orton.
1
What's those
2
steps? Oh, steel.
He's told the story there.
Busted
One.
bicep. That's
2
Different zone than we've ever seen him before here tonight.
looks like he's up for this.
Calculated assault thus far on Cena.
1 1
Again, another blow to the skull.
It's as if Orton is possessed.
2 come on
Do you want to quit, Cena?
1
No.
2
With quite as much conviction as he did earlier.
hey
Has turned a big crimson red with anger.
1 2 3
Orton loves it. all tonight.
Hei. Tadi keras. Gimana? Mentah, gerak aja job. Gerak yuk. Bak terus. Bat kabel.